a number cubed is in math means equals 42.
This is like
It's the same thing. So you could have said equals 42 instead of is.
A number times 3. A number 3
A
times.
number to the power of 3.
Our number 3 times is 42.
I guess, but you might get too confusing there. So you could have done something like that for number 1.
Is 41.
Yep. Again, you could have said a number to the power of 2 is 41.
I said the quotient of a number and 3.
Yep, you could use that. A number
48.
divided by 3
And a number.
is 48. Cole said the quotient of a number
How would you do
and hold on is 48. 14 to the x power is 5.
Yes.
You could also say the x power, because power means exponent, of 14 is equal to 5. Which way do you like better?
The 14 to the x power is 5.
I like that too.
All right, so there's the first option. 14 to the x power. Did everyone see that? Is 5. So, number 1, the quotient of m and 7. Since this is addition, you could also write it like this, because it's addition.
Right.
Both those would give you the same answer. If it was subtraction, it would not give you the same answer. C equals the regular cost of one airline ticket. 0.2 C, 20 cents, 20% C, so that's being multiplied. That's the discount. The equation is 3. Now, some of you might like to do discounts like this. 0.80 C. So these two equations are the same thing. If you write it like this, that's how much you paid with the discount.
Wait, how do you know it's 8?
Your problem would be 3 people go on a trip
So 3 times 80.80.
and get discounted tickets. How much is one ticket? That could be an example of a problem.